You can travel all around the world riding on your little bicycle. You cross rivers, climb up the mountains, and you meet so many friends. Mouk, Mouk, from Arctic to Canada to forest in Alaska. Mouk, Mouk, can you tell me what you see? Mouk, Mouk, exploring Madagascar and the sands in Sahara. Mouk, Mouk, tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see.
Birdsong.
Hi! Mouk and Chavapa calling all the way from Hong Kong. In China. Oh. Hello?
Oh,
Sorry, we didn't hear you.
we're rehearsing. We're playing in a concert tomorrow.
A concert? That's funny. We wanted to introduce you to two singers. They're going to give a concert too.
Really?
Yeah, when they finished eating their seeds.
Seeds?
Yeah, Nim and Ling love them.
But they're birds.
I know. Songbirds, aren't you?
You're right. They sound great together.
Yeah, but they almost never got to sing together again.
Huh? How come?
Well, we just got to the park in Hong Kong. Yeah, it was great. There were loads of people doing kung fu.
Right, time for a break. You can all have a drink.
What? Already? Yeah! Ha! Ha! Hoo! Ha! Hoo! Oh! What? Ha! Ha! Wow! 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 Wow!
I see your friend likes kung fu.
Yes, wow! You're really good. You must practice loads.
Yes, we're here every day at the moment because our school is going to do a parade.
Wow! Great!
Uh-huh. We're going to walk in our costumes and give demonstrations. I'm going to do a tao with the baton.
Wow!
Break's over.
I better get back. Come and train with us sometime.
Oh, yeah! Great, thanks!
Okay, bye then.
Right, let's eat.
You eat too fast, Chavapa. You'll get tummy ache.
No, I won't. Yeah! Ha! Ha! Ooh! Huh? Look at this, Mouk.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm weaving creatures out of grass.
They're amazing.
Thanks. I've made this one for my friend's son. She'll be here soon. My name's Bao.
I'm Mouk, and this is Chavapa. We're cycling round the world.
Really? Wow. Here, I'd like you to have this.
Wow, thanks.
Now I know one of my creatures is travelling round the world with you.
Okay, you can come with us. Oh,
This is Nim, my songbird.
he's really clever.
If you stay for a bit, then you can meet my friend's son. Our birds love singing together.
A bird concert? I'd love to see that.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. Hey, let my little grasshopper go. He's so funny. Can I take a photo of the two of you?
Of course.
Super. Look, I think Nim liked having his photo taken.
Would you like me to get him out of the cage?
Are you sure?
It's fine. He's very well trained.
Oh, okay then.
Watch. I've taught him to sit on it. He thinks it's a little branch. Look, Nim, you've got two new friends.
Hi, Nim.
Hi, Nim. Watch the birdie.
See? He hasn't moved a feather.
That's great. Hey, let's take one of all of us.
Oh no! It's the Kung Fu school!
Come on, Nem.
Here, buddy, buddy, buddy!
Leave him. I know how to get him back. I think he's too scared. He normally comes back to me.
Stop! You're scaring him!
What can we use to get him back?
What about some birdseed?
Yes, but I haven't got any.
I know. What about some breadcrumbs? They'd work too. Perfect. There's one roll left. It is delicious. You'll love this. See? Everybody loves bread rolls. Huh? Oh, where's Nim?
Oh, he's flown away too!
Phew, he hasn't gone far.
They didn't leave a single crumb.
He really doesn't want to come back.
And we've got nothing left to attract him!
Wait! I think I've got an idea.
It's working. Ugh. Oh no!
Quick, before we lose him!
Oh, he could have landed anywhere.
Look!
Have you found them?
No! The grasshopper!
A clue! Nim must have flown this way!
Look! Come on! There he is!
At least no one will disturb him up there.
But we can't reach him either.
We need to find a long branch for him to jump onto.
Huh, a branch? I can't even see a stick.
Ha!
A stick!
We'll be right back.
It's the first time it's been used to catch a bird.
Thanks for lending it to us.
No problem.
We'll bring it back as soon as we're finished.
Yes, of course. Okay, then.
Huh? Yes!
Whoopee! We did!
Shh! Chavapa!
Let's put him back in his cage.
Huh? Oh no!
Huh?
The cage! Where's the cage?
It's okay. I'm going.
I think he's teasing you.
Hey! It's not easy. I'm doing the best I can.
Oh!
Phew!
Where is it? I'm sure we left it here. Oh no! What am I gonna do?
Are you okay, Bao?
I'm getting a bit tired.
Yes, sure, if you want. Talk to you soon, okay?
What? Sorry. Hey! That's Bo's cage.
You know Bo?
Yes, he's my new friend, and his bird escaped.
Really?
And that's the butterfly he made for his friend's son. What's so funny?
I'm Sun.
Oh.
Can you take me to Bo?
My arms are getting
I'm
tired.
back just in time then.
Chavapa! Son!
It's our turn now, Ling. brothers are together again.
Thanks, son. And thanks, Mouk and Chavapa. And thank you, Ling.
Thanks for the butterfly, too.
It would be great if the birds could play in your concert tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. Maybe they could come here and get back before their concert.
Yeah. When is their concert?
Straight after the Kung Fu demonstration. Yeah!
Move your head, Chavapa. I can't see anything.
Whoa!
Mouk, Mouk. You can travel all around the world riding on your little bicycle. You cross rivers, climb up the mountains, and you meet so many friends. Mouk, Mouk, from Arctic to Canada to forest in Alaska. Mouk, Mouk, can you tell me what you see? Mouk, Mouk, exploring Madagascar and the sands in Sahara. Mouk, Mouk, tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see.
Dinosaur Trail.
Hi, Mita. Hello.
Why isn't she saying anything?
Hi, Mouk. Hi, Chavapa.
Hi, Popo.
Hey, Mita, have you seen the tub of cheesy biscuits? I can't remember where I put them.
I think I know why Mita's not speaking.
Why?
Hey, here's the lid. That's odd. I didn't open the tub. Crumbs.
Maybe you should follow the trail, Popo.
Good idea, Mouk.
Yeah, but I bet you don't find a dinosaur at the end of yours.
Dinosaur? What have you been up to this time?
Our friend Tucson had invited us to go and visit him and his mum, who was working in Utah. Yay! We're here!
Phew, we can have a rest.
Bet I know more dinosaurs than you do.
No way.
T-Rex,
Stegosaurus,
Triceratops,
Anatotitan,
Diplodocus,
Dracopelia,
Iguanodon,
Raptosaurus,
Velociraptor,
Tylocephalus, Varyraptor, Zephyrosaurus, Anchiceratops.
Anki what? No such thing.
An Anchiceratops. Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, Diplodocus, Pteranodon, and Velociraptor.
You packed the whole collection? No wonder the bag was full. Huh?
And now,
What's this?
That is my favourite scarf, in case it gets cold.
And down at the bottom? What's that?
Oh, yeah. That's my favourite costume.
Chavapa, you made it. Great. Did you have a good trip?
Yes, thanks.
Welcome to our camp. I'm so pleased you came.
Be scared, you poor mammals! Here comes the terrifying Concavenator! Whoa! It's muddy.
It rained last night. Everything's a bit squishy today. We've been here all summer. Today's my mum's last day. We're heading back to Arizona tonight.
Hey, Tucson! Has she found any Anchiceratops footprints?
Aha! Yeah, but they're not tiny like those. The real ones are huge. Those are as tiny as my pet lizard.
Huh? You have a pet lizard? That's so cool.
Mouk, Chavapa, glad you made it in time.
Hello, Sedona!
Come on, come and see my lizard.
Hi!
Chavapa, I think Lucy's scared of concavenators.
Whoops! Sorry. Sometimes I forget how real looking it is.
Look! Careful. You know how that lizard likes to escape.
Wow.
Lucy? Lucy, come back! She does this all the time. Don't worry, she'll come back. But it's been raining. She always knows how to find the warmest, driest place. It's true. I found her in my sleeping bag last time. Well, kids, time I go to work.
Roar! Watch out, young Tyrannosaurus! The fierce Anchiceratops is coming to get you! Roar! What's in the buckets, Sedona?
It's resin mix. My job here is to make special resin casts, copies of the dinosaur footprints.
Wow! That's so cool!
I've got to finish today as the truck's coming to collect them.
Why make copies?
To put in the museum. The real fossil footprints stay here so that people can come and see them where they were found.
Ah, I see.
Can we see them?
Of course. Why don't you show them around, Tucson?
Yeah!
Meet me at the end of the trail. You'll be in time to see the resin casts if you get a move on. Come on, this way!
Wait! I'll bring my bag! And my dinosaurs. You never know.
Let's go!
Chavapa, are you coming?
Chavapa isn't here! He's been eaten by a dinosaur! Do you know that the word dinosaur means terrible lizard? Whoa! Huh?
Wow! Look at that! There are hundreds of them!
My mum says this used to be a lake millions of years ago. The dinosaurs made footprints in the mud under the water. Then sand and stuff got into the footprints and slowly turned into stone.
Oh, yeah!
Hey! It's Lucy! Come back!
Tucson! Wait for us!
Lucy! You don't want to get left behind, do you? Lucy!
She went that way! Quickly, Chavapa!
I told you! I'm not Chavapa! I'm a concavenator!
Shh!
Lucy! Come here! I've got you!
Oh, yeah. Lizards can make their tail fall off to escape from predators. It's just their thing. I wonder if dinosaurs can do it too.
There. One left and I'm done. The museum truck will be here soon. I wonder what's keeping the boys.
What if I've really lost her this time?
Don't worry, she'll turn up. Come on, let's get back to the trail. Which way?
We just follow the dinosaur footprints. Oh no! I've got us lost now!
I know the way. You do?
How?
We follow the trail of footprints. Ours this time. There's the path.
Where have you been? I was getting worried.
It's my fault, Mum. I took them the wrong way, looking for Lucy.
Did you find her? Hey, I've got a bit of resin left over. Why don't you show Mouk and Chavapa how to make a cast?
We could make casts of our footprints.
I don't think there's enough resin for that.
There's only a bit left.
How about these?
That's a lovely idea, Chavapa.
Do you mind showing him how to do it, Mum? I want to keep looking for Lucy.
All right, Tucson, but don't be too long.
I'll help you. Where shall we look first?
Anywhere warm and dry, really. Oh!
Oh!
There, Chavapa. I've put the rest of the resin in a bowl for you. You just need to make prints using your,
Tyrannosaurus or Diplodocus? Dinosaurus or Diplodocus? Diplodocus or Tyrannosaurus?
Lucy! Lucy!
Diplodosaurus or Tyrannosaurus? Diplodocus or Tyrannosaurus?
All done, Chavapa?
Not quite.
I'll have to clean up in a minute.
Diplodocus!
Lucy!
Did you find her?
Like you said, Mum, she should be okay. It's just... I miss her.
Hey! Who's used my resin?
Maybe you dropped one of your dinosaurs by mistake.
No, I didn't. What is it then? Look! The trail leads to my bag. Maybe one of my models came to life. Let's see.
Whoa! There must be something really terrible in there.
Lucy!
The most terrible lizard of them all!
Thanks again. Thanks for finding her. I wonder why she chose your backpack.
She must have found this, my favourite scarf. It's really cosy. I told you it'd be useful.
Nearly ready to go, Tucson?
We've had a great time. Thanks for everything.
Here, have this to remember the dinosaur trail.
Our very own terrible lizard tracks.
Whoa! The dinosaur trail sounds fantastic.
I don't understand it. The trail stops here. Meter!
I did save you the last one.
Thanks. No one has a more terrible sister than I do.
I'm a Metasaurus! Rah!
And I'm the terrible lanky Ceratops. But who's that? No, it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ah!
It's gonna eat me! No!
Mouk, Mouk.